Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel. What if I tell you that 1 minute of your time can make someone's career? Simply by watching this video, you have helped someone get free education. Social media is a powerful tool, and if used correctly, together we can help many students have good education, good career, and a good life. I am on a mission to provide free education through my channel. Come and join me to make a positive change in the society. So I want to raise funds for scholarships for schools and universities. As you know, in Dubai, most of the schools and universities are private, and it gets expensive for students and parents to pay the fees. So my plan is to make the world's largest coin sculpture. And to make the world's largest coin sculpture, I'm going to use 1 dirham coin, and I'm going to approach various schools and universities to raise money. And then whatever the money is raised from each school and university will then be given to the schools and universities for scholarships. I will also generate revenue from other places, and whatever money is collected will then be given to the schools and universities that are part of this campaign. So what do you guys think? Is this a good idea? Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.